Hello, everybody. So, as y'all can see here, I got a package. Hope everybody is doing great on this Tuesday as we head into Good Friday and Easter Sunday. I hope everybody has accepted the Lord as their Christ, Lord and Savior. Um, and with that being said, my name is Lashawnterry. Welcome back. I'm sitting up here messing around, filming with my Samsung S25, I think it is called. Um, my name is Lashawnterry. Welcome. Hope everybody's had a great start to their week. If you're subscribed, if you're not subscribed, subscribe and click that notification bell so you'll know when I upload. So I have a package here from Dauken. They released their spring, summer drop. And if you are on their mailing list, you got the drop on Thursday instead of Friday. And so this is the fastest shipping I ever got from Dawkins. Normally, because they're in North Carolina, I'm all the way on the Southwest. And then with Advantage shipping, I absolutely hate that shipping because you just don't know when it's going to come. It may come by donkey if you even get it. So this is their spring, summer. Some of these I have in, let me see, just one of them though I have in the oil. The rest of these are new, except for the pink cotton. She just chose to put it in a different form other than the oil. So let's get into this. If you have not watched my video on the spring summer unboxing, I did get her what she would do was she will release samples of all of the new fragrances that are coming for the spring summer. So you go back and watch that video. It'll say hair chit chat and then Dawkins SS unboxing. She did also put her oils and lotions, I believe, in different containers now. But not these boxes. I do not like these boxes. They are so flimsy, but thank goodness nothing ever came broken. So let me get this out and I'll come right back. Okay, they are all out. This is what the spring summer sample drop look like. There's one more in there, but I took it out to use it. I'll take this out for reference as well. But go back and watch that and you will know everything that she dropped, all of the new fragrances she has dropped. When she releases, when they get close to releasing them, they will tell you what scent will be in what product that they're offering. So let's open up these small ones first. This is the two perfumes that I got. One is the Prismatic Pina Colada, and the other one is Nude Muse. Okay, I'm back. So, Nude Muse was this. And I did mix it with Bubble Bistro's strawberry. And her strawberry smells so good. Had to turn it down a little bit. So this is Nude Muse. She changed up her perfume packages as well. This is it. So this is the sample size. If you get the 5 ml, and then this is her full size right here. just to go back over it. It's an inspired blend of Burberry Her and Fleur's Missing Person. Sweet strawberry meets radiant jasmine and orange blossom blended into velvety sandalwood and soft musk. Flirty and irresistible, and I absolutely love it. And it mixes well with a good strawberry. So that's this one. That over here. And then this one is Prismatic Peanut Colada. I love anything that has a pineapple in it or a pina colada coconut. This is it. I don't think I played around with... No, I did not. So I just sprayed it on me basically. This is the Cardamom and how it comes if you was to order the smaller size. But I did not play around with her much. I just sprayed it on me. So it's not going to give you that pineapple that you're looking for, but it smells good. It's going to give you pineapples. It's not going to give you candy-ish, you know, type of vibes. But I love it. Let me just put these back in the box. And then we're going to go to these. So one is Lemon Luke's. And this is an inspiration of the House of Siage Hufflepuff. I did not get the perfume because I have the original Hufflepuff from House of Siage. And I also have some dupes from Dapper and Dua as well. And so I did not need another one. But I might get it later on down the line. But right now I didn't. So this is the lotion. Let me still see, I can see. This is the lotion. This is a 8.5 ounce, 250 ml. These things is like leaning like they drunk. Okay. The next one is Prismatic Pina Colada. So I did get it in the lotion, so I can play around with it some more and mix it with other scents. I don't have too many pineapple lotions. I think I have one. I think I have one or two, but I want more lotions than oils because I have a ton of oils already. So that's that. This next one is Pink Cotton. They have Pink Cotton in the oil, but I wanted the lotion as well. And she just actually dropped the Pink Cotton in a lotion a couple of weeks before she dropped the spring summer, and it still smells good. Let me tell you, that stuff flew out the window so fast twice, and so I said I know it'll be coming back, so I'm not going to chase it down because I do have the oil and I have the straight perfume. The next one is Fig Papa. When she put this, why I kept having the Biggie song in my head. I love it when you call me Big Papa. This was another one that was nice, I thought. And I was surprised that I liked it, but it smells good. And all of these, except for the Pink Cotton, they did come in as part of the spring summer series. Her pink cotton is one that she'll have all the time. And then the last one is this shit is bananas. This was a scent that she dropped last spring summer when she got rid of, when they did not make their first banana scent. So I'm happy that they made this in a lotion, because I have the oil as well as the perfume, of course. And it smells so good. So I'm so happy she did this in a lotion, because it smells delicious. So this is my Dauken's Arome. Let me take this out. This is my Dauken's Arome Spring Summer haul. And when I play around with it, I will be bringing you my new scent. I mean, my new scent combinations and everything. So this is it. This is it for right now for my Dauken Spring Summer pickup. Again, once I start playing around with them, especially in lotions, and I have a bunch of oils already, you know, I will be bringing you my scent combinations. So stay tuned for that. Also, go back and watch my hair chit chat / Dauken Spring Summer video, where I showed y'all these and talked about the fragrances and what my first impressions was when I got them. Until next time, y'all stay safe. Peace. Don't forget to give me that thumbs up on the way in.